What is up, guys, and welcome back to another day at Whitley Auto Works. Today we're jumping right back into our Rustoleum custom mix series where we pick a Rustoleum color, we shoot a pearl over top, and then we decide, do we love it or do we hate it? 1, not really. 5, it's the best thing you've ever seen. Today I had a question about what pearl should we shoot over a blue, what looks best? Well, I also did a two-tone video not long ago where I did a light blue and a dark blue, and everybody was wanting to see the dark blue full scale with something. So here you go. We got our fender prepped in the background, sanded down with 600 and wiped down with prep all, and I got cobalt blue. We're going to do cobalt blue on the whole fender, and then I got this yellow to green to golden yellow to blue color shift that we're going to throw over top of it. That way you guys can see a full wide scale of what I think will look the best on blue, and then decide for yourself, did I succeed or did I fail? But anyways, as always, we got to get this fender painted first. So I got my Rustoleum cobalt blue. We're going to throw this on it real quick, and then we'll get to the pearl. So let's get into it. Alright guys, so we got our cobalt blue laid down. Now, my personal favorite color is blue. I've done some reds and stuff and other things on the channel, but you'll notice predominantly blues, blacks, whites, grays. I go with those because those are just my favorite colors, but I will do any and everything you guys request. Anyways, let's get on to the clear coat. This clear coat is just for test purposes. The mix is 4-to-1. I've got my medium hardener today instead of typically using my fast hardener. Once it gets over 60, 65, then I usually switch over to my medium hardener and use that because it'll dry just as quick. So like I said, today is 70 out, so I'm gonna add an ounce of this into the 4 ounces of clear I've already got. And we're going to add the pearl in. Now, like I said, this pearl is a color shift pearl. It shifts from green to blue to gold to all kinds of stuff. And wow, yeah, it is pretty. This is a 3 gram container. I'm going to put about 1 gram into this, and that's for the fender. If you wanted to take this full scale, you would probably want about 3 or 4 of these right here. So, and it does come in a sample pack. If you want to buy any of the stuff you see in my video, the paint guns, the pearls, anything to test out or go full scale or whatever, my link's in the description. It goes to my Amazon page, as seen on YouTube, and you can buy anything there. It doesn't cost you guys anything extra, but I do get a small kickback and it helps the channel. So anyways, I'm gonna put about 1 ounce in here. That should be plenty enough. And I'm gonna stir it up real good and show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so right away you guys can tell this color shift is absolutely crazy. And I think it's going to look awesome over that blue. So I ain't going to wait no longer. I'm going to get this mixed up really good. We're going to load up the gun. And let's get spraying over this fender and see what kind of effect we can get. Alright guys, so as always, I got my color shift pearl loaded up in my gun. You do want to keep these pearls agitated in the gun, so I slosh it around while I'm spraying. This gun is a V-Roar gun, 1.4 tip, and I typically shoot about 28 PSI, guys, and that's wide open trigger. If you decide you want to replicate my settings, but I'm just going to put a tack coat on it first, just introduce this clear to the Rustoleum, and then we'll keep going with it and see what kind of cool effect we can get. So let's get into it. Alright guys, so just real quick, I turned my fan off so I can show this to you. This is after only one coat of the Colorshift. Now it doesn't take much if you just want to go for a simple effect on it. This is pretty much where you probably stop, but for sake of just seeing what it'll do, I'm gonna keep going. We're gonna go probably 2 or 3 coats on this thing, and let's see how crazy we can get it to look. Alright, let's continue. Alright guys, so this is a spray out today. A cobalt blue with a really cool color shift. Now, even though it was color shift, the green did kind of dominate the whole mix of the color shift, but still nonetheless, it's a beautiful spray out. It's one of my favorite colors. But ultimately, it's not up to me, it's up to you guys. Rate it 1 through 5. 1, you didn't care for it. 5, you loved it. We're on the road to 5,000 subscribers. We're getting there quick, and I'm going to be doing a giveaway. Going to give away paint guns, I'm going to give away pearls. Who knows what I'll give away? But if you want to win something, you got to be subscribed. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Drop me a like and comment. Let me know what you thought about today's video. And if you want to buy any of the products you see me use on the channel, check the description. Click the Amazon link as seen on YouTube, and you can buy it there. I appreciate you guys for watching today. I hope you'll like, share, comment, subscribe. I'm John from Whitley Auto Works. I hope you have a great day. God bless. And I'll see you on the next spray out.